1963. Let's look at the paint. This beauty has been repainted about 15 years ago. And it's here to get that paint corrected and to get a ceramic coating. Look at that. Ladies and gentlemen, so here we are. Look at the perfection on this 1963 Corvette Stingray. So this went through 2-stage paint correction and a 5-year coating on all painted surfaces. Look at that. This is beautiful. Let's zoom in on the paint a little bit more. Look at that. Beautiful. Very, very happy with the outcome. Josh specifically worked on this project with me. Flawless, flawless. Very happy with the outcome. Stay tuned for more sexy cars like this.